The Voice of the People's Party met with the executive engineer of PWD Roads of Khliehriat Division, East Jaintia Hills, to request for immediate repair of the Kya Sutunga Saipung Molsei Haflong Road, which has been in poor condition for many years. In a statement delivered by Dame Wanni El Rimbai, organizing secretary, it was emphasized that the road services as a crucial link connecting the district headquarters and other villages within the 5th Sutunga Saipung constituency. The road provides numerous benefits to the local residents.
Te hakajing yi pintu jongi ya u executive engineer nakaliang jong u isngotanan ba nakaliang jong ka office kala shimkhia ya kaban shna ya ka DPR ban shna ya ka estimate lani kita ki overview statement ka ba nakaliang ui ula dep submit cha u CE ban nakaliang jong CE ula thok cha u secretary jong PWD na du banai jun.
In a successful joint